Yeah. So I welcome you all. Today we have got a session on an interaction with a startup founder under the banner of Institution Innovation Council, LIT Nagpur. Uh, the major objective of IIC is uh, to start, kickstart, or sustain an innovation culture in the institute. And keeping that in mind, IIC is going to take up various activities throughout the year in the institute. So, first and foremost, I welcome you all. We have got participants that are joining in. Just to give you a fact about the participants, almost most of the students from LIT have joined, uh, have registered for the event. Close to 200 registrations we have received till now. Some of our alumni have also joined this event. Uh, to start the proceedings, I would request our director, Dr. Mankar sir, to share few words with us about IIC and this particular event. Sir, over to you.
Good morning, everybody. I welcome Sachin Palsolkar for this important talk which we have organized for our students, particularly to inspire them. And this activity is taken under IIC, Institution Innovation Council, as per the directions of AICT. We form this council, and Dr. Bhanavse, Dr. Lade, Dr. Jogrekar, Dr. Modak, and our colleagues are taking keen interest and organizing various events as per the mandate of IIC. Today we have invited Sachin Palsolkar to share his experience, and we want this to be an interactive session. So after the start of his talk, he will tell our students about his journey, and our attempt is to inspire our students, particularly in the direction of becoming entrepreneur. As a new startup, something should come to your mind which is innovative, which is different, not being done routinely. Entrepreneur, you can become an entrepreneur getting into routine things also. But this is something else. If you look at the journey of Sachin Palsolkar, he's a chemical engineer from our institute. But he thought differently, and he has ventured into a business which normally chemical engineers would not even think of. And today, his business, where he stands, and you will be really inspired to know about his achievements. And many of you may be coming to know these things, what exactly he is doing, what is his product, in how many countries his product is sold, what is the market, and so many things. Maybe you'll be surprised to know. So it's not that a chemical engineer should go to set up a chemical process industry as such and produce chemicals and market chemicals. Of course, he's using chemicals in that, but still, it's a totally different field, home decor field. By and this micro mosaic tiles, you can say, he will tell you about that. And also, I would request him to tell the students how this idea came to his mind, how he dared to venture in it, So it's a real startup kind of thing. So we have organized this to inspire our present students. Our students, you may be thinking about doing some business, you may have some idea, but many times we have ideas, but we do not venture in it. We don't try that hard to bring it into reality. So here we have with us Sachin, who has successfully gone through this journey. And I can imagine that this journey must not have been a easy walk through for him. There may be difficulties, and uh, from the place like Nagpur, where those kind of industrial environment is not there really, which is there in Mumbai and many top grown industrial areas. So with some kind of locational disadvantage, some advantages may be there. And as a chemical engineer, how he has gone through his journey, he will tell us about his success, but at the same time about the difficulties faced and how he consistently maintained to go ahead and finally turn his ideas into action. And today he is before us as a successful entrepreneur, successful businessman, doing business in many countries. So I congratulate him, I welcome him, and I'm sure that our students will take something, some inspiration from Sachin. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Indeed, with the present COVID situation and the kind of job availability and the deficit in the job availability, even I think that this is a very apt moment or apt time to venture into something. Creating your own product and working for yourself, because at any one moment of time, if you are working for someone, there is always a risk of not having stability with the kind of work that we are having, which may not be the case for working for yourself. Thank you so much, sir. To introduce our speaker, sir, you are saying something? Yeah. To introduce our speaker, Mr. Sachin Parsokar, he's a LIT alumni, graduated in chemical engineering department from LIT in the year 1995, and post that he worked for Phenolics Industries and Garvare Polymers for almost three years, and after that he did his PGDM from NMIMS Mumbai. Uh, Post that he started some trading in having his own enterprise. He worked for a few years and then he ventured into manufacturing activity. His company, and he has got many awards till now. To name a few, he is the best. He has received the best entrepreneur award in 2009 by Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mumbai. His company also received first prize in innovative product process by Saturday Club Global Trust in 2010, and his company was also adjudged best promising industry for future in 2010 by Sarthi. Uh, he is a very much active member of LIT Alumni Association, also a member of Rotary International, and a member of Laghu Udyog Bharti. Uh, we welcome you, sir, on behalf of LIT. I thank you for accepting our invitation to guide our students. And presently, in this particular scenario, we feel that it is very important to have some guidance in this particular area, so that if the students are interested, they can they can dare to venture in this particular line. I thank you, sir, from on behalf of Lakshminarayan Institute of Technology. uh, just to give a brief idea about what Inex Industries does, I would request Sachin sir to please share his video of the company profile.
So, Saurabh, are you able to see?
Uh, yes, sir, it is loading now.
So, is okay now?
Yeah, you can start the video, sir. Hello. It's a very inspiring video, sir. To start with, from the laboratory of to start your product from a laboratory to upscaling it to this size, it must be a very tiring process, I must say, and it must be an enjoyable process too. So just to start the proceedings, sir, we got an idea that you are one of the largest manufacturer of glass mosaic tiles in South Asia. So to start with, sir, just tell us about your childhood days and how you landed up at LIT.
Yeah. Thank you. First of all, I'm thankful to Dr. Mankar for giving me an opportunity to be here on this panel. And I'm thankful to all faculty members, Dr. Saurabh, Dr. Bhanumasi sir, Dr. Lade and all. And thanks all participants who have joined as a student or as an alumni. So thank you so much. Well, Dr. Saurabh, basically, my schooling was from Nandura. So it's a very small place. Now it is a taluka place, but that time it was not a taluka place. It's a small town, Nandura. It is near to the Shegaon. And, I was a meritorious student among the top 5 always. And I have done my schooling till 10th from Nandura. And I would like to mention one point. I think I will keep on mentioning few points and qualities which we need to, and we need to connect those dots when you grow and when you grow in your career or in profession. So we have to connect those dots, and then you decide your further course of action in your career. So एक छोटा मोहल्ला था, हमारी गली थी छोटी सी, गली में हम 10-15-20 दोस्त थे. एंड देन वी डिसाइडेड टू गो फॉर सम गणेश फेस्टिवल. एक गणेश मंडप बनाएंगे, अपना गणपति बिठाएंगे. सो नोबडी वाज कमिंग फॉरवर्ड. सबकी इच्छा थी लेकिन करने वाला कोई नहीं था. सो दैट टाइम आई वाज इन द 5th स्टैंडर्ड. आई हैव टेकन द इनिशिएटिव. मेरे से बड़े भी मेरे दोस्त थे और सबको मैं लीड करके आई वाज द अध्यक्ष ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मंडल. एंड टिल 10th आई वाज देयर. एंड मैं खुद जाके वर्गणी चंदा जमा करते थे, बड़े बड़े प्रोग्राम्स करते थे. एट द एज ऑफ से यू कैन से एट द एज ऑफ 11 और 12 आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दैट पब्लिक और सोशल वर्क, और जहां पे मैं इन्वॉल्व हो गया था एंड आई वाज लीडिंग फ्रॉम फ्रंट. तो वो क्वालिटी मेरे को तभी पता चल गई थी कि यार मैं लोगों को इकट्ठा ला सकता हूँ. आई कैन गैदर द पीपल. आई कैन वेरी वेल जेल विद डिफरेंट थॉट प्रोसेस के जो लोग हैं उनको मैं एक साथ लेके चल सकता हूँ. और वो हमने सक्सेसफुली किया. हमारा गणेश मंडल छोटा था लेकिन हमने बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रोग्राम्स वो टाइम पे नांदुरा में हमने किए थे. सो दैट वाज द जस्ट वन स्टोरी. एंड 10th का रिजल्ट आ गया. आई मिस्ड माय मेरिट बाय से 7 मार्क्स. बट आई वाज सो ब्रेव. मैं मेरे पिताजी बोले कि चलो एडमिशन ले लेते नांदुरा या खामगांव, और मैक्सिमम वी कैन गो अप टू अकोला. सो आई सेड नो, आई वांट टू गो टू अ बिगर प्लेस. सो since childhood I was thinking to go for a big, right, बड़ा सोचने का, बड़ा करने का. सो पिताजी बोले अपन नागपुर नहीं जा सकते बिकॉज माय जॉब इज हियर. माय फादर वाज वर्किंग एट दैट टाइम इन महाराष्ट्र जीवन प्राधिकरण एज अ डेप्यूटी इंजीनियर. सो ही सेड बॉस मेरा जॉब यहाँ पे, वी कैन नॉट गो. सो आई सेड आई विल गो अलोन. मैं अकेला वहां से ट्रेन से बैठा, इधर आ गया. आई स्टेड एट माय मैटरनल अंकल एंड आई रोम्ड अराउंड, went to Shivaji Science, Somalwar, and decided where to take the admission, and I got the admission in Somalwar High School. So for 11th and 12th, I have done my 11th and 12th from Somalwar. And the big challenge for me was I was from Nandura. It's a small town, not a taluka place also. And I came directly to Nagpur. So it is just like from Nagpur to going to New York, right? Or that too at the age of, say, when I was in 10th standard. और यहाँ आने के बाद another big challenge was I studied my up to 10th in Marathi medium. बीजगणित, भूमिति, it was not algebra, geometry, and suddenly I changed from Marathi medium to English medium. So that was another big challenge, and which was like difficult to, I thought it's really difficult. मेरे पिताजी, मेरे पेरेंट्स और मेरे रिलेटिव सब बोल रहे थे अब मुश्किल है इसका, ये तो मेरिटोरियस है लेकिन अभी 12th में मुश्किल हो जाएगा इसको, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल इन इंग्लिश. So in 11th, it was almost like I got hardly 60-65%. So my maternal uncle stays very near to me. So he said, boss, मैंने बोला था, why you have taken the science and that too in a English medium. So you failed. So I said, okay, no problem. So I have taken that as a challenge and I passed 12th standard with 93% marks. So after passing that, so I was very much clear that I want to become a chemical engineer. I was very much focused at that time also. And I have not taken admission. I could have got the admission in VNIT, mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, but I had not taken any admission anywhere. LIT के लिस्ट के लिए रुका रहा. LIT के लिस्ट में मेरा नाम था और इतना श्योर शॉट नाम था कि मेरे को एडमिशन आराम से मिलने वाली थी. एंड दैट टू एडमिशन के वक्त भी मैं अकेला गया, अकेला एडमिशन किया एंड एडमिशन लेके घर आके पिताजी को बोला कि यस आई गॉट द एडमिशन. सो दिस इज हाउ आई फ्रॉम नांदुरा, फ्रॉम मराठी मीडियम टू सोमलवार टू LIT. दिस इज हाउ आई हैड अ जर्नी फ्रॉम नांदुरा टू नागपुर टू LIT.
Right. So basically, I mean, this is one of the key features of LIT, that most of the people that are there in the tier 3 cities, maybe, or even small places, rural places, most of the students actually opt for LIT, and LIT actually gives them a very good opportunity in creating their good future. So sir, now we understood that you came up from a very humble background, and I mean, I can understand transitioning from a Marathi medium to a completely English medium, and that too in science is very difficult. And so once you entered LIT, sir, what was your experience? I mean, how were your days in LIT? What activities that you did in LIT? Did you take part in some convention or something? I mean, tell us about your college days also, sir.
Yeah, it was really a wonderful journey for 4 years in LIT. Like we used to come by bicycle. I used to stay at Lakshmi Nagar that time, and from Lakshmi Nagar to LIT, Ravinagar, Bharatnagar, we were 4 5 students staying in Lakshmi Nagar area. So we used to travel by bicycle every day. Used to come to LIT. नीचे में साइकिल रख देते थे कभी 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 ऊपर लेके आते थे. But that was the daily routine in LIT. LIT में I was like kind of जब आ गया था तो बचपन से ही वो आदत थी लोगों से मिलना जुलना, पब्लिक से जोड़ना, दोस्तों को जोड़ना. एंड दैट टाइम LIT में रैगिंग होता था. नाउ इट्स डिफिकल्ट, आई थिंक अभी होता नहीं है. बट रैगिंग से लाइक it was a very good kind of introduction, but sometimes it becomes a harsh and then that's the problem. But जो एक इंट्रोडक्शन हो जाता था सीनियर्स के साथ, उससे बहुत ही क्लोजनेस और बहुत ही एक अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर बनता था. एक फैमिली जैसा फील आता था. हर दिन ऐसा लगता था कि सुबह जल्दी कॉलेज जाओ और सब दोस्तों से मिलो, सीनियर्स से मिलो, मौज मस्ती करो. आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ अ बदमाश, मस्तीखोर, चकल्लस करना, टाइम पास करना, ये सारी चीजें तभी भी करता था मैं. दैट्स बेसिकली यू शुड डू इट in your college days, but at the same time I was very much focused on my studies and my academics. I was among the top 10 or 12 students from my class. 80 लोगों का क्लास था, but I was among the top 10 12 इसमें रहता था, because academics में कभी मैं उसमें फोकस कभी इधर उधर होने नहीं दिया. So you have to be focused throughout your life. That is what I want to tell to the students. But टाइम पास, चकल्लस, मौज मस्ती, यस कॉलेज के बाद बहुत करते थे. There are two things which I would like to mention here. एक तो था कि वो टाइम पे हमारे LIT में लड़कियां बहुत कम आती थी. So we used to go to LIT college जहाँ पे लड़कियां ज्यादा थी. Then we used to attend their fete or their gatherings, जो ओपन रहता था, and that LIT girls used to come to LIT gatherings. So this is how we had the fun, मजा करते थे.
Right.
In the second year of LIT, I had a very serious accident on Amravati Road. In the front side, means Amravati Road pe, at the entrance of the gate, I had a very serious accident. Almost 2 से 3 महीना मैं घर पे था. I was at home taking the rest. मेरे स्कल तक वो ये चला गया था. I was unconscious on the road. So बहुत सारे दोस्तों ने हेल्प किया था मेरे को वो टाइम पे. And then somehow, but I was again focused and I have not, it has not affected my academics. I was throughout, एक भी मेरा बैक कभी भी नहीं था 4 साल में. I was throughout all clear with good marks.
Right. Fantastic.
And after that final year आ गया. Final year then third year था. Third year then we started practicing for the कुछ student they started preparing for the further examination, GATE or CAT, or few started preparing for the campus interview.
Right.
So I was also among the this thing to prepare for the campus interview. And basically मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन, दो important चीजें मेरे को करनी थी फाइनल ईयर में. One was professional come personal. That was मेरे को I need the job because I was in a need of the job because my father was retired and I want to be self-reliant. मेरे को खुद के ऊपर चलना था. So then I thought was to earn myself, I need a job. And second thing, मेरे को job इसलिए भी चाहिए था. I was in a love with one girl. She was from VNIT. She was doing architecture. और उससे शादी भी करना था. उसको प्रपोज करना था. So I was in a desperate need of job. So campus में दूसरी तीसरी कंपनी थी Finolex and I got the job. वो जो भी आए थे employers and उनके employees, I convinced them and I got the job. The first part is over. Now second part was crucial, that is to propose the girl. And then I proposed the girl and she said yes, and she's my now life partner, and she's my co-founder in this journey. She's Sneha. She's from VNIT, 5 years architecture course she has done from VNIT, and this is how I had been to from LIT to Finolex, and this was a quite interesting that I joined Finolex in 1995 before I got my results also. May में exam खत्म हुआ था and June first week I joined Finolex.
Right, right. And also, sir, you did some work at Garvare also, right? Garvare Polymers.
Yeah.
I mean, we all now understand that how important job was to you, and everyone has got their different reasons for which job is very important for them. And sir, then if job was so important to you, then how did you land up into entrepreneurship? I mean, कहाँ से bug कहाँ से आया?
Yes, that's an interesting question. And basically, see, I joined Finolex. There were almost like around 30 management trainees from different regional colleges and top colleges from India. So we had a training for almost 3-4 months. And after 3-4 months, they have taken the examination. And I stood third in that examination. And they have allotted the departments. And I had been allotted a utilities department. It was supposed to be not good department. So I suddenly shocked. आपने मेरे को ऐसा कैसा place कर दिया? So I went to HR and admin department. I went to my seniors. I said that I need the projects department or I need the petrochemical operations. So they said no, boss, it is not possible. So again, I was very brave that time also. Without having any second job option, it was almost like 5 or 6 months has been over. So I said that, boss, I want to take a leave and I'm going to leave your job. I'm going to my hometown. Give me leave for 10-15 days and let me go to my hometown. And when I come back, I will not join here. That's for sure. So they had given me a leave for 10 days. And then while coming back, I talked to one of the senior from LIT at who was working at Garvare that time. So he said, Sachin, just drop down at Aurangabad and I can arrange your interview. So I dropped down at Aurangabad, had the interview. Throughout the day, there were different rounds of interview, and finally they selected me. In the evening, they told me that this is our decision and you are selected. So I said, okay, fine. But I asked them very upfront that, are you going to put me in projects? So they said, yes. So I said, if you are putting me only in project, then I am going to join. Otherwise, sorry, I don't want to join. So they said, no, we are appointing you for the project engineer only. And then I left Finolex and joined Garvare. After joining the Garvare, I worked in projects for 2 years. And it was such an amazing experience. I worked almost 14 to 16 hours a day. Sometimes I worked for 72 hours without sleep in projects. मैं सिर्फ मेरे एंगेजमेंट पे 1 दिन का छुट्टी लिया था और शादी के लिए मैंने 15 दिन का छुट्टी लिया था. बॉस बोल रहा था शादी को मैं 15 दिन छुट्टी नहीं देगा. मैं बोला बॉस को, बॉस आई एम गोइंग टू मैरी फॉर वंस ओनली इन माय लाइफ टाइम, सो मेरे को 15 दिन छुट्टी चाहिए. दैट्स इट. रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई वर्क ऑलमोस्ट 16-18 आवर्स अ डे एंड आई लर्न अ लॉट इन Garvare because I was working in projects. But वो टाइम पे we used to have a meeting with our boss, different departments. So that meeting was a purely a techno-commercial meeting, but I started feeling that, और मेरा बॉस भी मेरे को बोलता था, सचिन, why you are speaking commercial things in the meeting? We are from technical team. You should talk about technical things. But I started talking technical as well as commercial things. So that was the first point, trigger point, where I understood that I have a little bit inclination towards the techno-commercial things. My boss also said one day I was talking so much of commercial things in a meeting. So after the meeting he said, boss, इतना बात करना है तेरे को तो तू एक काम कर, तू जाके अपना धंधा चालू कर. So I went to smoking room with him and then मैं बोला, boss, yes, I should start my own business.
Right.
So तब शादी हो चुकी थी मेरी. So at the age of 21 I got the job. At the age of 22 I was engaged with the girl which I have proposed, and at the age of 23, I was married, and at the age of 25, I got my first child.
Great, great.
So at the age of 23, so I said, घर पे आया, बीवी को बोला, बॉस अपने को छोड़ना है नौकरी. I want to start my own business. So she was also that much enthusiastic, and she said, yes, why not? So I started thinking that I should start the business. That was the trigger point. That was in 1997-98, and I left the job from Garware. But at the same time, there was some problem in Garware at the time of leaving it, because there was some accident in Garware. So मेरा relieving कुछ हो नहीं पाया था वो time पे. So I left the job and started my own business. But business कौन सा चालू करना? That was also a big question mark.
Yeah.
As I was working in a projects and manufacturing plant, so I thought I should start a manufacturing unit. और अपना dissertation project भी अपना manufacturing का था LIT में. So why not to start a manufacturing? So I have studied a lot of products, done the survey, but at the end of the entire survey, I came to know that I understood that was technical things can be hired or purchased.
Yeah.
But business acumen, business skills, marketing skills, sales skills, that cannot be acquired or purchased, that you need to gain over a period of time.
Right.
So how to do it? Background to kuch nahi tha. So no MBA, nothing doing. So what I thought let us start the trading business. So in trading, I would able to understand the commercial things, sales, marketing, all those things. So I have taken a decision to start a trading business, and I started with a trading of mechanical seals, water treatment plants, water chemical systems, then your water cooling systems. These are the industrial range I started with, and I started with some commercial range also, because Nagpur is not such a industrial place. So I started with some commercial product like wooden paneling, wall paneling, wooden flooring. Then I used to import this wooden flooring from Italy that time, and then glass mosaic tiles. So glass mosaic tile I used to import from Italy as well as from Taiwan. So this is how I started, and I started my trading business in 1997, 1998.
Right. So maybe, I mean, if I'm not wrong, 97, 98 was a bit of a recession period. And so what were the difficulties? I mean, coming out from a having a good cushion salaried job to a trading business, and over the top of it, you are having recession wherein the market is not ready to, I mean, the market is in deficit of actual cash. So, what were the different things that you encountered? And because everywhere you are going to see that there is a closed end. So, how did you maintain your zeal to work in this area?
Yeah, that's very important question considering the today's scenario.
Exactly.
Basically, 1997-98 was a recession period. Yes, it was a recession period. And before leaving the Garware, I got selected in a US company, and they have offered me $3,000 salary that time in 1998-97, and that was a company was Praxair. Now it's a big gas manufacturing, oxygen and nitrogen manufacturing company. They offered me a job in US. So वो job छोड़ के I stayed back and I started my business. तो वो टाइम पे सभी लोग मेरे को बोल रहे थे, बॉस दिस इज अ रिसेशन पीरियड, व्हाई यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर ओन बिजनेस. मेरे बॉस, मेरे दोस्त, सभी लोग बोल रहे थे आजू बाजू के. सो आई हैड अप्लाइड अ वेरी सिंपल फंडा. सी I found over the period of time, see, last 20-25 years, any big question has a very simple solution and simple funda. So my funda is very clear, was clear, कि recession बोल किसको है? As consider a Samsung mobile, they have a market share of 45% in the market, in a mobile market, right?
Yeah.
For them, there is a recession because from 45% to 46% अगर उनको करना है, if they want to increase their market share, to make a market share by increase market share by 1%, they have a big struggle in recession period.
Right.
But when I'm starting new as a fresh, as a startup,
Right.
my market share is 0. See, if I make it to only 0.1% or 0.2% of the entire total market, still I will do a big business.
Right.
So ये बेसिक फंडा पे मैं उतर गया. एंड सेकंड थिंग आई वुड से the recession period is the best period to start a new venture for the startup, and recession period is the best period to do the bootstrapping. So you have to strap your boots and get ready for the when the boom time will come.
Right.
So now I appeal to all students who are present here. Since last 1.5 years, we are going through a very bad patch as far as pandemic is concerned. Even in the market also there is a recession, all right? But guys, try to find out the opportunities lying in the market. Just hit those opportunities. Just grab those opportunities. Don't be afraid of venturing into the business, because this is the right time. You bootstrap your startup, get ready, and whenever after the 3-4 years the boom will be there, you will be at a very good level in your startup. So I think recession is the best period to start with.
Right. I mean, that is a very interesting piece of advice that you gave, that in the recession, it is you have to be well prepared for the opportunities that may be coming in near future. So it may not be possible that opportunities won't be there with you at present due to some reasons, but over the period when the market goes up and there are opportunities, you should be well equipped in handling those opportunities. So, sir, we understood that you started off with trading business, and that too in a recession period. So, what propelled you to go into manufacturing? I mean, for trading, it is much more simpler compared to manufacturing, because the statutory compliances that are required are also there, but they are not as much as compared to manufacturing activity. And also for manufacturing activity, there is another important thing is having the right product, having right research and development in that product, and to on the top of it raising finances. I mean, finances has always been a very important issue for any startup or maybe a small scale enterprise to start with. So how did you tackle all these things? How did you venture from a typical trading business to a manufacturing activities, and what were the different phases of manufacturing process that includes compliances and other things? How did you manage all these things?
Yeah. So it's the answer would be quite a lengthy, but let us divide this answer into 4 parts.
Okay.
Right. The first part would be a product identification and going into the manufacturing. The second part, I would suggest that we should go with a product development and R&D.
Right.
I think third point was your raising the finances.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And Dr. Saurabh, I would like to add the fourth one. That is because my product is basically a consumer product, right?
Yeah.
So it's direct to consumer, and I would like to add the fourth one, that is a brand development and marketing, right? So let us take the first is a product identification. So as I started the importing the products, I was doing the trading of the same product, and out of those so many products, industrial as well as commercial products, I have identified the glass mosaic tile, because that product was not that time manufactured in India. It was 100% import. And what I thought, we should do the import substitute for this product, right? And import substitute ढूंढने के हिसाब से मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जाने का सोचा. फर्स्ट पॉइंट. The biggest challenge was my competitors are basically international competitors. They are having a turnover worth more than $2 billion. 15,000 करोड़ रुपीस का उनका टर्नओवर है. They are such a big competitor. Still they are big for me, right? They have started their units in India also, manufacturing units. But इतने बड़े competitors मेरे सामने थे, और मेरे को इतना बड़ा प्रोडक्ट और इतनी बड़ी जंप लेना था, राइट? And I thought, yes, I should do this, and I want to get into this because there is a scope of India. इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ कि किसी का कोई भी प्रोडक्ट रहो, आपके दिमाग में कोई भी आइडिया, कंसेप्ट, प्रोडक्ट कुछ भी रहो, डोंट वरी अबाउट हु इज योर कॉम्पिटिटर. आपके सामने जिंदा एग्जाम्पल है, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ मेरे को, कॉम्पिटिटर कुछ नहीं कर सकता. If your basics are clear, your fundas are clear, you are focused about your entire business, then competitor भी तुम्हारे सामने झुक जाएगा. आज के डेट में कुछ चीजें ऐसी कि competitors are started following us, even if we are so small in front of them. अगर किसी का आपके दिमाग में आइडिया है कि भाई कल मेरा रिलायंस कॉम्पिटिटर बन सकता है ये प्रोडक्ट में, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. जंप करो, कुछ नहीं होगा. इट इज वेरी लाइक कॉमन. अपने को अपने पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं यस स्विमिंग पूल में कूद जाओ, ऑटोमेटिकली स्विमिंग आ जाएगा. दैट इज द कंसेप्ट. एंड व्हेन देयर इज अ विल देयर इज अ वे, राइट? सो आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग दैट आई शुड जंप इनटू द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट. अब वो इंपोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट आ रहा था और अपना मैन्युफैक्चर करके डालना था, बट बनाना कैसे, आई वाज नॉट नोइंग. वो टाइम पे इंटरनेट ये सारी चीजें नहीं थी, बहुत ही महंगा था इंटरनेट तब. आई यूज्ड टू स्पेंड लाइक 10,000 रुपए में मोबाइल और इंटरनेट पे स्पेंड करता था वो टाइम पे. सो इफ यू कंसीडर दैट कॉस्ट, इट इज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट आज के रेट में मैं 50,000 खर्चा कर रहा हूँ. सो दैट इज हाउ आई जंप्ड एंड आई हैव आइडेंटिफाइड द प्रोडक्ट एज अ फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. देन हाउ टू डेवलप द प्रोडक्ट. ये प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट में आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट, फ्रॉम LIT. And I would like to mention and give like he's my guru, Pandri Pandey sir. He was my guide also in final year when I have done my project under him. So he was kind of a enterprising person, and he always tried to encourage us कि you venture into the some manufacturing or some product development or something like that. So I met him. सर मेरे दिमाग में ये कंसेप्ट है, आई वांट टू डेवलप दिस कंसेप्ट. सो ही सेड यस यू कैन डेवलप, व्हाई नॉट. सो यू कैन यूज LIT lab and you can use the library and study and you develop. So he encouraged me a lot. So I have used LIT library. That time we have to pay some money to library if I am from outside, so I had to pay some money for the library, and then I can use the library, all those books, journals, everything. I started taking out the old books, old journals, new journals, and started gathering the different data. What is the glass softening temperature, how it is heated, which kind of a furnace is used, what kind of a things. See, all those things I started using. What kind of a colors, what kind of a metal oxides are used. So I had taken a lot of data from the library. So once the data was gathered, तभी मेरा ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस चल रहा था. सो आई कुड नॉट इग्नोर दैट. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू द लाइब्रेरी एट अराउंड से 4 o'clock और 5 o'clock, और फिर लाइब्रेरी में रिक्वेस्ट करके उसको, बॉस मेरे को बैठने दो और 1 घंटा प्लीज प्लीज, एंड वो करके आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग द मोर एंड मोर डेटा. And after getting the data, then I have paid some amount to the institute and university for using the laboratory. That time we used to have a fuels and combustion subject, and in fuels and combustion, I don't know what is the subject name right now. There was a one lab for that, and in lab there was a furnace, small laboratory furnace. So I don't know whether you have the laboratory furnace or not. So I have used. You have that laboratory furnace now?
I am not sure about the fuels and combustion laboratory furnace,
Okay.
but we do have it for different purposes that we use.
Yeah, but that time it was there. So I paid the amount, and there was like every day whenever you use, you have to pay the amount and use the laboratory, that particular furnace. So I have used the furnace, taken the trials in the LIT, and I have made this glass mosaic, glass tile in the laboratory. The first product, it was successfully made after say so many trials, and almost a month or 2 I have spent on those trials. And after that I got that result, and I have matched with the imported one. It was almost matching, almost 90% matching with the imported one. So I thought, yes, I can do it. And that time there was no big words like startup, entrepreneur, incubation, incubator, incubity, nothing doing. But you can consider this is an incubating company from LIT, right?
Right.
LIT has given me a lot. Really, I am so much obliged to LIT that LIT ने एक चीज दिया मेरे को, because right from library knowledge, 4 साल का knowledge plus such a good faculties, है ना, talented faculties, and always they were encouraging. So this has given me LIT. LIT has given me this at a that level. So lab scale, a product development, lab scale to the industrial. So we have scaled up that furnace to the industrial level. Myself has designed an entire furnace liya, then we have taken a rented premises in Hingna, almost around 600 square foot ka premises liya rent pe, and then we have put one furnace, and we started the trials in the industrial level furnace. That time we used to manufacture 5 to 6 or 10 square foot per day. Now we are manufacturing 10,000 square foot per day. So you might have studied in your chemical engineering and process design and process engineering that lab scale, then if the demand increases in the market, you have to go for a industrial level. From industrial level, if demand increases, the first level is a batch process. So I started with a batch process. From batch process, if the demand increases more in the market, then you have to go for a semi-continuous process. So then after a few years, I had gone into the semi-continuous process. And as the demand increases more or to the more level, so then the semi-continuous does not suffice your purpose. So then you need a continuous plant, a continuous process. So right now we have a continuous process. So this is how lab scale to batch, batch to semi-continuous, semi-continuous to continuous. This is how the entire product process has been evolved. So
Right.
you all might have studied in your engineering, and that has been practically applied in the real life, right? This is how we have developed the process. And as far as the product development was concerned, so my better half, my co-founder, she is basically an architect from UNIT, as I told you. So she had that, she was looking after that product, how it will look like, how the utility would be of the product, how the color combination has to be there. So entire thing that has been looked after by Sneha, and she has helped a lot in that particular product development and R&D of those products. So this is how we have done product development from a lab scale to continuous, and the different products and different colors and shades. And we are matching the international standards. We are matching with the international competitors.
Right.
For the product quality, and the pricing is phenomenal. Then the third point, that is the most important for any student or any startup, any entrepreneur has that question, how to raise the finance. बॉस मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, पैसा कहाँ से लाऊंगा? मैं 2 साल जॉब करता हूँ, 3 साल जॉब करता हूँ, 5 साल करता हूँ, आई कलेक्ट द मनी, मैं यूएस जाता हूँ, डॉलर में कमाता हूँ, फिर इंडिया आऊंगा, आई पुट अप माय प्लांट, आई पुट अप माय बिजनेस, आई डू द स्टार्टअप. Let me tell you, I told you a few minutes before that when I left Garware, that time there was some problem, there was some accident, and they could not able to relieve me, and they could not able to pay me my last 2 months salary. So मेरा लगेज लाना था घर का, I had to shift from औरंगाबाद to नागपुर. तो औरंगाबाद to नागपुर लाने के लिए मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. I borrowed from my friend because 2 महीने का सैलरी नहीं था. वो लेके आया, नागपुर पहुंचा, my bank balance was only 500 rupees. What I was having in my hand is the products for the trading. So I started marketing those traded products, and with 500 rupees, 2-4 दिन में पेट्रोल डालने का, 50-100 रुपए का, गाड़ी घुमाने का, इसको मिल, उसको मिल, इसको समझा, इसको कन्विंस कर, इसको मार्केट कर, डिफरेंट फैक्ट्रीज, कंपनीज में जाना चालू कर दिया. एंड 15-20 दिन बाद मेरे पैसे खत्म हो गए, 500 रुपए. पिताजी से पैसे मांगना नहीं था, बिकॉज I was having the offer from US, and when I was leaving that offer and starting my business, पिताजी को बोला था, I need your blessing only, मेरे को आपका पैसा नहीं चाहिए. तो अभी पिताजी को बोल भी नहीं सकता था, घर पे बैठा था. सो पिताजी 2 दिन घर पे बैठे रहा, 500 रुपए खत्म हो गए, कुछ भी नहीं करने था. सो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि साला फिर से वापस चला जाऊं, ऑफर एक्सेप्ट करूं. आई सेड नो वे लुकिंग बैक. सो पिताजी को बोल भी नहीं सकता कि क्या है. बाबूजी पूछ रहे थे, अरे सचिन क्या हो गया, व्हाई यू आर नॉट गोइंग आउटसाइड, व्हाई यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर बिजनेस. I said I need to learn few things and that's why I'm at home. But suddenly one telephone rang up. I picked up that phone and they said, Mr. Sachin. I said yes. So they said, boss, your order is ready of 5,000 rupees. Please come and collect your 100% advance check. I was so happy. I went there, collected my check. Next day deposited it. वो टाइम पे 3 दिन लगते थे. 4th day you can withdraw the amount. Check clear हो गया. I withdrawn my 1,000 rupees for myself and I have paid 100% advance to my supplier and brought the product. So if anybody says that I don't have the money, but I say if you have a will to do the business, to raise the finance, you can do it. When there is a will, there is a way. Definitely कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता जरूर निकलेगा. You have to think innovatively. You have to find out a very creative business solutions, right, for getting the finances. So after that, I have done a lot of debt leveraging, some equity funding from friends and relatives, something like that. I have done a lot of things in the entire finances. But अब फाइनेंस मालूम नहीं था. ये भी अनदर क्वेश्चन आता है कि मेरे आई एम अ केमिकल इंजीनियर, आई डोंट नो the balance sheet, I don't know about taxation, I don't know anything. So that time I have decided in 1998 that I should do the correspondence MBA. I had given the exam and then I got selected. Then I had done the correspondence MBA from Narsi Monji. आखिरी पेपर नहीं दिया मैंने because that day it was a वर्ल्ड कप का मैच था, इंडिया पाकिस्तान. सो वो पेपर नहीं दिया. देन बट मेरे को पूछते थे तू एमबीए क्यों कर रहा है, घर पे पूछे कि तू एमबीए क्यों कर रहा है, बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग योर बिजनेस, व्हाई यू वांट टू स्टडी. But I wanted to understand those management skills, management principles, which I want to implement. I wanted to implement in my own business. Then उसमें भी मेरा sufficient नहीं हुआ. Then I started. मेरे 2-3 दोस्त सीए हो रहे थे वो टाइम पे, तो मैं उनके बुक लाता था. इनकम टैक्स एक्ट, वो टाइम पे बॉम्बे सेल्स टैक्स एक्ट था, सो बॉम्बे सेल्स टैक्स एक्ट के बुक लाता था. देन आई यूज्ड टू रीड ऑल दोस अबाउट द बैलेंस शीट्स, अकाउंट्स, डेबिट, क्रेडिट, लेजर, ये सारी चीजें मैंने बुक ला ला के सीखा. अभी अगर मैं किसी के सामने, बहुत बार आई एम नॉट प्रेजेंटिंग माई सेल्फ, बट मैं एक बंदे के सामने बैठा था एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग some commercial and some legal things. So he asked me after some time, Sachin, are you chartered accountant? I said no. He said, Sachin, are you ICW? I said no. Are you company secretary? I said no. Are you an advocate? I said no. So I'm a chemical engineer by profession. So, but I have learned this over a period of time, not in one day.
Right.
But ultimately, you have to jump into the ocean, you have to jump into the swimming pool. You will definitely learn the things over a period of time, right? You will get a lot of guides, a lot of friends who will guide you regarding all those things. Rather, I am requesting all the students, if they are thinking to venture into any startup, take my email, take my phone number from Dr. Saurabh, and you can contact me 24/7. I'm 24/7. I'm always there to help you out on all those things. मेरे को वो टाइम पे हेल्प नहीं मिला, बट दिस इज द टाइम, दिस इज द वेयर वी हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अवेलेबल, as well as with the help of LIT, then university and LIT Alumni Association, jointly we are starting up the incubation center, जो हमारे वक्त नहीं था. I faced lot of problems, so we are going to start that incubation center very soon, so you can come up with your ideas, come up with your business ideas and products. We have a huge alumni network, all are there to support you. So raising the finance, मैं पैसा कहां से खड़ा करूं, ये सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कभी. You should have the dedication, you should have your concepts should be very clear about your product, and you should think creatively and innovatively for raising the finances. So this is the third point. And the last point which I have added, Dr. Saurabh, if you permit, I will speak
Sure.
1 or 2 minutes on that brand development, because my product is a consumer product. right? And a lot of students, they might be having some ideas of manufacturing soap or manufacturing something, oxygen concentrator, or manufacturing some television or TV or freeze or whatever it is. I don't know. The idea could be anything.
Right.
But my product is basically a consumer product. If you have a engineering product or engineering chemicals, I think there is no need to have a brand building or brand development or brand marketing. But as my product was a consumer product, I understood that time only कि बॉस इसमें अपने को जबरदस्त मार्केटिंग करना पड़ेगा, जबरदस्त ब्रांडिंग डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. सो ब्रांड डेवलपमेंट के लिए आई हैव हायर्ड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पर्सन इन नागपुर. उससे मिलना जुलना चालू किया, उससे दोस्ती हो गई मेरी. सो ही सेड बॉस सचिन, ये अगर तेरी इतनी बड़ी सोच है, तू है छोटा और सोच बड़ी, जितना टर्नओवर नहीं उतनी बड़ी सोच कर रहा है तू. तो मैं बोला यस, आई वांट टू डू इट. तो फिर ये विल रिक्वायर मॉडल लाइक माधुरी दीक्षित और ऐश्वर्या राय और दीपिका पादुकोण फॉर अ ब्रांड डेवलपमेंट, ब्रांड एम्बेसडर. So I said, boss, I cannot spend that much money. Yes, I know money. You don't have money. How you can do it? So I thought so many times. I met him. Ultimately, I told him, boss, get one very good model anyhow. तो वो टाइम पे मेरे दिमाग में आया कि ऐसा एक मॉडल ढूंढ कि जिसको मॉडलिंग में जाना है, एंड शी इज अ वेरी ब्राइट मॉडल एंड शी हैज अ वेरी गुड फ्यूचर. तो उसका एक दिन मेरे को फोन आया, सचिन जल्दी आ जा ऑफिस में, वी गॉट वन वेरी गुड मॉडल. तो मैं बोल, he said, you might be knowing that पायल रोहतगी, right?
Yeah.
So पायल रोहतगी की छोटी बहन, cousin sister, she was studying that time in Hislop, and she wanted to enter into the modeling profession. So he said, she came to me and then she wants to enter into the modeling. मैं बोला बॉस immediate meeting करा. I told her that, see, this is what the company plan is. You will be an international model, international brand ambassador for our product, and आपके होर्डिंग्स, आपके एडवर्टाइजमेंट, आप मेरे कैटलॉग ऑल अक्रॉस ग्लोब जाएंगे. You be a part of our team.
Right.
So she said okay. उसकी मदर आ गई बिकॉज प्रोफेशनल असाइनमेंट है, तो मदर आ गई, मदर मिली. तो देन वो बोले कि पैसे कितने मिलेंगे, क्या होगा. So they started negotiating. I said, I am giving you the opportunity, right? You are fresh. I am not fresh.
Right.
But what I can pay you is only 10,000 rupees. And that too, I paid her in 5 installments, 2,000 rupees per month.
Right.
So she finally agreed and she has done that assignment. वहां से अभी तक we have used international models also for our product, right? And with creative thinking, innovative thinking, जुगाड़ टेक्नोलॉजी, जुगाड़ इंजीनियरिंग, सोचना पड़ेगा भाई अपने को कैसा करना है. अभी प्रॉब्लम तो है, करना तो है, लेकिन हाउ टू गेट दैट डन, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. वो जो बग है, वो जो फायर है, वो बहुत जरूरी है, बट वो करना ही है. द सेकंड थिंग, वो कैटलॉग बन गया, सब हो गया, मॉडल का बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा था कैटलॉग. सो मैंने लाया घर पे, देखा तो पीछे में नागपुर का एड्रेस, आखिरी में एड्रेस रहता है. सो नागपुर का एड्रेस, अभी नागपुर फेमस है बिकॉज ऑफ गडकरी साहब एंड देवेंद्र फडणवीस, राइट? एंड दैट टाइम गडकरी साहब एंड देवेंद्र साहब भी इतने बड़े नहीं थे कि जो नागपुर को पहचाने पूरी इंडिया. इफ यू दैट टाइम, इफ आई हैड बीन टू केरला और कर्नाटका फॉर मार्केटिंग माय प्रोडक्ट्स, सो वहां पे पूछते थे नागपुर वेयर इज द प्लेस, इज इट अ ट्राइबल एरिया, यू आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन ट्राइबल एरिया, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते थे मेरे को. सो वो कैटलॉग देख के ये नहीं हुआ. फिर देन आई वेंट टू माय अगेन डिजाइनर, उसको बोला ये एड्रेस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. तो बोला एड्रेस जो है डाला मैंने, बोला नहीं यार, ये अपने को बॉम्बे का एड्रेस चाहिए, आई वांट द मुंबई एड्रेस एनी हाउ. बोले तू ऑफिस कहां से लेगा, यू डोंट हैव मनी यार, तू क्या कुछ भी बात करता है फालतू की. सो आई सेड नहीं बॉस, मेरे को आई वांट द बॉम्बे एड्रेस. आई सेड वेट फॉर 2 days, डोंट रिलीज द कैटलॉग फॉर प्रिंटिंग. सो इमीडिएटली वहां से मैंने मेरे दोस्त को एक फोन किया जो बॉम्बे में रहता था. वो दोस्त को बोला भाई तेरा एड्रेस चाहिए मेरे को, बिकॉज वो अंधेरी में रहता था, इतना मालूम था मेरे को. तो अंधेरी इज अ वेरी गुड नेम फॉर कैटलॉग. मैं बोला तेरे घर का एड्रेस चाहिए, एक फोन मैं वहां पे दिला दूंगा, उतना ही खर्चा कर सकता हूँ, और फोन को कॉल डाइवर्ट ले लूंगा, मेरे मोबाइल पे सारे फोन आएंगे, तेरे को कोई तकलीफ नहीं, सिर्फ तेरा एड्रेस चाहिए भाई, मेरे को धंधा करना है, आगे बढ़ना है.
Correct.
वो बोले सचिन दे दिया. मैं बोला अभी इमीडिएट मेरे को तेरा एड्रेस बता, मैं लिखता हूँ। बोले क्या कर रहा है तू? मैं बोला मैं कैटलॉग पे डाल रहा हूँ। कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं? बोला डर मत, प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, 2 साल बाद मेरा नया ऑफिस रहेगा, टेंशन मत ले तू। उसको बोल दिया मैंने कि 2 साल में तेरा ये नाम हटा दूंगा यहाँ से।
Correct.
एंड दैट इज हाउ द बॉम्बे एड्रेस केम इनटू द पिक्चर, एंड वो मेरे कैटलॉग पे बॉम्बे का एड्रेस आ गया। डिजाइनर को बोला अभी आज के आज ही करना। बोला अभी? बोला यस, अभी यू रिलीज द कैटलॉग एंड गेट दिस बॉम्बे एड्रेस एंड एवरीथिंग डन।
Right.
So developing a brand, developing a marketing skills and all those things, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. If you have a consumer product in your mind, don't worry. ब्रांडिंग के लिए कहीं पैसा नहीं मिलता है. That time there was not, so there were no social media. Now you have a social media. Social media is the cheapest media, I'm telling you, and your product can go viral in few months. You can use social media very effectively, guys. And don't worry if you have a consumer product. Don't worry about the money. Don't worry about the how you will develop the brand. Think innovatively, think creatively, find out the creative solution for your business and get into it. Don't worry, just jump.
Right.
So, Dr. Saurabh, this is how the from trading to manufacturing and all those issues related to manufacturing I have addressed.
Hey, quite interesting. I mean, having resources, optimal use of resources that we had heard of, but to make things happen when you are having deficit of resources, you have to create some win-win situation for the other party as well. It's quite interesting to understand all these phases. So we had talked about what are the different the way in which you set up your enterprise. I wanted to understand, can you share some winnings and failures of yours? Because it is more, I mean, from a listener's point of view, it is more good to listen to only winnings. But when we come to actual practical, when you have to take a decision of entering into an entrepreneurship, we have to understand the pros and cons of this particular activity. I mean, what the things that I would gain, I'm in a position to imagine that, but the things what to do if something goes wrong, right? So I should have some idea about what are the things that may go wrong and how to tackle all those things.
Yeah, absolutely, Dr. Saurabh. It's like, see, always people talk about the winning story and winning things.
Right.
And yes, definitely we should talk about it. But at the same time, I will not answer very diplomatically. Yes, I have faced few problems, but I have overcome like that. I will be very straightforward and blunt, and I will give this answer in a very you can connect all yourself, that whenever you have any problem, you will understand and you will remember my words. First, I will tell about the positive side. Let us start with the positive side. And first of all, I'm very thankful to my family. They have helped me a lot in my ups and downs during my winning time and my failure time. And father and mother, parents, they have helped me a lot on moral grounds, because I told them that while starting my business, I asked them only to give me the blessings, no money required. So only blessings. So they had given me a very good support. And my better half, she has supported me in the business, as well as she has supported me during my bad phase in my on health grounds. So first, let us talk about the winning side, and how I will give you 1 or 2 stories for this, and then so when we have scaled up from lab scale to a batch production in a rented premises में चालू किया. सो 2-4-5 दिन 7 दिन प्रोडक्ट नहीं निकल रहा था अच्छा. पैसा मैंने मेरे ट्रेडिंग में से निकाल के कुछ बैंक से बोरो करके वो मशीन डाला था. रेंटेड प्रीमाइसेस में था. सो आई वाज अंडर ट्रिमेंडस प्रेशर whether this will succeed or not, whether I will be able to make to this imported और इंटरनेशनल क्वालिटी का मैं बना पाऊंगा क्या. बिकॉज वो टाइम पे मेरा सेंट्रल इंडिया में नेटवर्क था डीलर का, वेयर आई यूज टू सेल दिस इंपोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स टू द डीलर्स। एंड अभी ये मैन्युफैक्चर करके बैच प्रोडक्शन करके वो डीलर्स को देना था। सो वो डेवलपमेंट में बहुत तकलीफ जा रही थी, हो नहीं रहा था। एंड दैट टाइम आई हैड फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, शी इज अ गर्ल, ईशा, and she was very small, like baby thi, and she was needing her mom, but at the same time her mom was a co-founder in this company, and she had to give the time for development of the product. So during the sleeping time of my baby, we used to go to factory, means कभी रात को 2 बजे भी हम लोग जाते थे, और जो वर्कर है वहीं रहने को बोले थे। 2 बजे वर्कर को उठाते थे कि अपने को ट्रायल लेने का है रात को 2 बजे, क्योंकि बेबी सोई थी अभी। सो 2 से 4 ट्रायल लेके 4 बजे घर पे आते थे, देन 4 बजे बेबी उठ जाती थी। सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव मैनेज्ड एंड वी हैव डेवलप्ड द प्रोडक्ट ऑन अ एट द बैच प्रोडक्शन लेवल। पहली बैच सक्सेसफुल निकली ऐसा लगा मेरे को, और निकाल के देखा प्रोडक्ट तो अच्छा लग रहा था। वी मैच विद द अवर इंपोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट एंड पहले प्रोडक्ट का डिलीवरी था। मेरे पास बाइक थी, बाइक पे मैंने बॉक्स पैक किया, बाइक पे लगाया, एक बंदे को बिठाया, मैं बोला भाई तू भी बैठ जा और डिलीवरी देके आएंगे डीलर के पास। नागपुर में डीलर था, द डीलर वाज एजे सिरामिक्स, सदर में है। सो उसको जाके डिलीवरी देना था, और न्यूट्रल बॉक्स लिया था, कोई ब्रांड नहीं कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज मालूम नहीं साला ये क्या होता प्रोडक्ट का। वो जाके देके आया कि ये इंपोर्टेड प्रोडक्ट है करके। आई हैड नॉट टोल्ड देम अबाउट दैट दिस इज अ मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन नागपुर, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन इंडिया, मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन हिंगणा। उनको बोला कि भाई ये आपका प्रोडक्ट आ गया है, इंपोर्टेड है, आप ले लो। तो बोले ठीक है। मैं बोला नहीं देख लो एक बार। बोले क्यों, देखेंगे बाद में, तो आपका बिल दे दो, आप चले जाओ। मैं बोला नहीं चाय पिलाओ। मैं बोला, मैं बैठ गया वहां पे, मैं सोच रहा था ये कब खोलेंगे कब देखेंगे। आई वॉज सो एंशियस, क्योंकि पहला प्रोडक्ट का डिलीवरी था। सो मैं 2-3 बार बोला तो उन्होंने खोला नहीं। फिर देन दुकान बंद करने का टाइम आ गया, तो बोला एक बार देख लो प्रोडक्ट सही है नहीं है, कुछ टूटा फूटा होगा तो देख लेके वापस लेके जाता हूँ। चलो भाई देख लो। देखा उसने, अरे वाह बढ़िया अच्छा है प्रोडक्ट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, वंडरफुल। उसने उसके आदमी को बोला चलो इसकी डिलीवरी दे दो कस्टमर को जाते आते। आई वॉज सो हैप्पी दैट डे, इतना जबरदस्त खुश हुआ। दैट वॉज द विनिंग टाइम, दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट विनिंग टाइम इन माई बिजनेस। और उस दिन आई कुड नॉट एबल टू स्लीप होल नाइट। आई वॉज थिंकिंग एंड so passionate and so crazy. I'm still crazy person. So मैं रात को 2-3 बजे उठा, बाहर जाके बैठा हॉल में, एंड इट इज माय लाइक बेसिकली मेरा प्रैक्टिस अभी भी मैं करता हूँ। आई यूज्ड टू कीप इट इन, गो ऑन राइटिंग माय थॉट्स एंड आई कीप इट इन सम फाइल, so that whenever I see that file after 2 years, 3 years, 6 months, 1 year, so कोई पॉइंट मिस आउट है तो उसको मैं डेवलप करता हूँ। तो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग दोज थॉट्स। मैं रात भर नहीं सोया, रात भर मैं लिखते बैठा, सोचते बैठा, एंड दैट वाज अ वंडरफुल डे आई हैड। दैट इज अ विनिंग स्टोरी एंड विनिंग, एक एग्जांपल दिया मैंने, जो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स बट दिस इज व्हिच आई थॉट आई शुड कोट हियर। एंड ऑन अ फेलियर साइड, yes, I would like to mention, 2000 up to 2012 we were doing fantastically well. We had taken a big project, expansion of a bigger plant in continuous production, and the problem started there itself. In 2012 we had a serious problem. That time Kingfisher, Vijay Mallya, most of you might be knowing him. So वो टाइम पे उसको प्रॉब्लम आई थी, and I also had a problem. बैंक का लोन लिया था. I could not able to start that factory because the machine was imported, and that time the dollar price was around 38 to 40, and when I paid the last amount, it was around 50 to 55. I have not hedged the dollar. It was not a foreign currency loan. It was an Indian rupees loan, and I missed everything. But I was very much sure कि मैं इसमें से बाहर निकलूंगा. My co-founder, my better half, she said, you go and find out the investor, and I will manage all this crisis at the factory end. बिजनेस में बहुत सारे पैसे देने के बचे थे, सैलरीज दिए नहीं थे, लोग छोड़ के जा रहे थे, कस्टमर को माल दे नहीं पा रहा था, प्रोडक्शन स्लोली नीचे आ रहा था, सेल्स नीचे आ रहा था, नाम खराब हो रहा था. बट आई वॉज वेरी मच श्योर कि somebody will come and somebody will invest in my product. So that was the time. मेरे को सितंबर का टाइम दिया था बैंक ने, सितंबर 2012. बैंक ने बोला था 30 सितंबर अगर सचिन पैसा नहीं आया, so we will do the auction of your, we'll take the possession of your company and we will
Auction.
start taking the actions. And we got the consent from a venture capital fund. It was a US based fund, and we got the first investment. I sold out my 49% stake that time, and that time the company was valued somewhere around, say, 20-22 crores. And those guys have invested and they have taken a stake, and we were able to complete that project. But again, there was a problem in 2015 and 2016, and bank made some mistake in the calculation of their interest, and then again there was some problem of repayment. And this time it was not my mistake, it was a banker's mistake. But it was a, you can say, love triangle rehta hai na. So investor was on one side, banker was on one side, and we being the promoter on one side. Banker said, you pay so much of amount today itself, otherwise your account is NPA and we are going to take the action. And the investor was saying this, I am ready to pay, but you give me in writing that you will not take, you will support them in working capital. And we were just negotiating with investor and banker. That was a kind of a triangle. I would say it was a love triangle. And investor said, boss, and banker said, we are not going to give in writing. You pay, then we will see. Investor said, I am ready to pay, but you give me in writing that you will support them in working capital.
Right.
So triangle हो गया, तीनों अपने अपने जगह पे खड़े हो गए. And the weakest part was the promoter part.
Promoter part.
And investor has written off his investment. Banker said, we are not going to write off, we are going to take the action. And because of all these, so many things, I had a stress. I had a serious heart problem. I had a mild heart attack, and I had been operated for the angioplasty that time. So I was at home almost 3 months, 4 months. I had gone through depression also. And then I again rejoined. So that time I was like, Tera pura bangla, gadi, dukan, makan. Whatever I have created, this small empire, मेरा खुद का मकान, प्राइवेट बंगलो, which I have built over a period of time, मेरी गाड़ी, मेरी फैक्ट्रीज, 2 फैक्ट्रीज थी, उनकी सारी मशीनरी, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, बिल्डिंग्स, everything was mortgaged to the bank. And bank was not ready to listen. I started fighting with them. Fighting spirit तो है अपने में, because मेरी गलती नहीं थी. But ये सब प्रॉब्लम आने के बाद I am a big follower of Shivaji Maharaj. So I started listening the management principle by Shivaji Maharaj, and it was well narrated by Suman Tekade. He is no more now, but he is very famous personality. He always speaks on Shivaji Maharaj and his management principles. So I have listened few of his videos, and I have marked one point. I would like to mention that small story here. Shivaji Maharaj has captured almost around 50-60 forts. 50-60 किले उन्होंने जीत लिए थे, अपना स्वराज बनाते गए. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद औरंगजेब और मुगलों को पता चला कि शिवाजी is expanding his empire. So Aurangzeb and Mughal have started fighting with Shivaji, and they were having a big army. Shivaji could not able to sustain. And finally एक चला गया, दूसरा गया, तीसरा गया फोर्ट, करते 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 50-60 जो किले थे, 50-60 फोर्ट्स थे उनके पास, करते करते शिवाजी महाराज के पास सिर्फ 3-4 किले बचे थे. एंड फ्यू फोर्ट्स ही हैज लॉस्ट ऑन हिज ओन, उसने छोड़ दिए. एंड व्हाट ही हैज डन, he talked to his Jizau, his mother. He said, मेरे को मेरे फैमिली को सेफ रखना है. He has taken his family and kept in a safe place. And then he has built up his entire army, all Mawla. So वो आर्मी डेवलप किया, उनकी स्किल सेट डेवलप किया to fight with Mughals. And you all will be surprised कि Shivaji has started capturing one by one, and he has won, and he has captured almost 150, 160 new forts. He has expanded his empire from Maharashtra to Dakhan, means till south. सब जगह जीतते गया. बट ये स्टोरी सुनने के बाद दूसरे दिन सुबह सुबह मैं मेरे एडवोकेट के पास गया, उसको बोला आई डोंट वांट टू फाइट विद द बैंकर, एंड द बैंकर वाज मुगल फॉर मी. सो एडवोकेट बोले पागल हो गया तू. यस, मैं बोला पागल हो गया हूं. आई डोंट वांट टू फाइट, आई वांट का कीज ले लो, बंगले का ले लो, गाड़ी का ले लो, और यू टेक माय फैक्ट्रीज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो एडवोकेट सेड बॉस तू पागल हो गया है. सबको फोन किया जो भी मेरे पास पहचान के थे, कॉमन कॉन्टेक्ट्स थे, अरे इसको समझाओ, ये पागल जैसा कर रहा है. वी आर फाइटिंग एंड ही इज गिविंग द कीज टू द बैंकर. सो वी हैव अप्लाइड टू द कोर्ट. द जज said in his order that I have seen the first borrower, genuine borrower, who has handing over his keys voluntarily in the court. That time banker said boss हमको keys नहीं चाहिए अभी. मैं बोला नहीं, आपको keys लेना ही है. And we have given the possession of entire assets. जितने भी मेरे assets थे मैंने सारा गया. 2016 I was on the street. बंगला, गाड़ी, दुकान, मकान सब चला जा चुका था. मैं बैंकर को बोला कि तुम बेचो, यू रिकवर द मनी. फिर बाद में मैंने सोचा कि सिर्फ बैंकर को एक बोला कि आई हैव मॉर्गेज एंटायर थिंग, बट आई हैव नॉट मॉर्गेज माय ब्रेन, आई हैव नॉट मॉर्गेज माय ब्रांड, आई हैव नॉट मॉर्गेज माय कंसेप्ट, बिजनेस कंसेप्ट, राइट. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई गॉट वन इन्वेस्टर एंड ही सेड सचिन व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. सो आई सेड देखता हूँ यार, कुछ जॉब आप कर लूंगा या देखता हूँ क्या है. But after some time that I felt again, I have taken the inspiration from Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj has never ran away from the situation or the problem. He faced the problem very upfrontly and taken the problem on head on. So I said, investor को बोला कि boss, I want to take head on. I will be in the situation. I don't want to run away from the situation, and I want to start again from zero. This building up this company again. So from 2016 I started building up the company again, and for you all I'm happy to tell you that we have paid almost 20-22 crore रुपए का default था. We have settled entire dues of the bank. During this lockdown I had taken the possession of all the assets, बंगला, गाड़ी, दुकान, मकान सब वापिस आया. Just because I was in the situation, I bravely faced the situation, and मैं बहुत focused हूँ about my business, about my all plans, about the product, and I am very much firm on my product and my concept and business plan.
Right.
That is the only thing which has fetched me to this level, and you will be surprised, Dr. Saurabh, that before bankruptcy we were not able to expand our business across the globe. But after 2016, I thought, when I restarted this, I thought that I should expand this business globally now. There is a problem, but there is an opportunity again. So what we have done, we have started our factory at China. We had taken one partner in China. He was very old friend of mine. So we started a factory in China, and from China we started exporting to different countries and to importing in India also. Now because of pandemic and all those things, we have stopped manufacturing. We have shifted all machinery here, and we are manufacturing now in India because China factory is difficult to run now. But still we have an office there. We have an office in Hong Kong. We have an office in agent office in Dubai, and very soon we are likely to start maybe a JV in United States with one of the strategic partner. So this is how the failure. But I would say that we as a society, we as a friends, we as a relatives, we should discuss failures.
Right.
Nothing wrong in discussing the failures. I'm openly
Right.
talking about my failures. I don't mind because I have not done anything wrong.
Right.
Right? Yes. आदमी है, आदमी से गलती हो सकती है. Right? But the most important thing, you have to learn a golden learnings from the failures. That's
Right.
most important. Right?
Correct.
But sometimes it may happen that you will repeat the same mistake again. But you go on learning from your failures.
Indeed.
Failure is the first step of success. Failure is the great way of learning the things. मैं
Right.
इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप फेल होना चाहिए, right? But failure आता है तो boldly face it. Be in the situation. Don't get discouraged. Don't get demotivated. Don't get depressed.
Right.
Face it boldly, right? Be truthful to your parents, to your friends, to all your investors, to all your stakeholders. Tell them the real problems. This is what the problem is. When I had a problem, I told them very openly. कुछ सिचुएशन तो ऐसी थी कि दोस्तों को लगता था कि इसके पास चाय के भी पैसे नहीं है अभी आज के रेट में, ये पूरा डूब चुका है. और अपनी सोसाइटी ऐसी है, आई डोंट नो, वी नीड टू do the revolution in this society that we should speak about the failures. See, 10th standard में बैठा हुआ बच्चा, हर बच्चा मेरिट नहीं आ सकता है.
Right.
Every student cannot be a meritorious student. Every student cannot always pass with the flying colors.
Right.
There may be few failures, but it does not mean that if he's failed, then he's gone.
Right. Right.
See, अगर कोई बिजनेस करता है अपने यहाँ सोसाइटी में, दैट टू फ्रॉम आई एम फ्रॉम अ महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिली. सो महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिली में तो ऐसा है कि बिजनेस कर रहा है तो ये सक्सेसफुल ही होना चाहिए. अगर सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है तो बोलते हैं यार केमिकल इंजीनियर है, इसको दुबई में जॉब मिलता था, यूएस में मिलता था, यूएस का जॉब छोड़ के ये चालू किया, क्या दिन देखने को मिल रहे. पीपल आर टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस.
Yes.
So it's all the society, but I'm the person who always speaks about the failure publicly and discuss the failure publicly. There is nothing wrong in it. KFC owner, he is from USA. KFC owner was 10 times bankrupt. He started his venture after his retirement, almost like 65 था तब चालू किया, and at the age of 76 he was a billionaire.
Right.
So nothing wrong in failures, but the most important is a golden learnings. That is most important in failures.
Right.
So these are the few 2 or 3 stories which I have shared with you
Right.
for winning as well as for failures.
Fantastic. I mean, the journey, just by hearing it, and I beg your pardon, but the story of your failure is even more inspiring than the one in which you built. I mean, both are equally great, but the failure part was even more inspiring. Why? Because as of this moment, the moment in which we are, the COVID is there. There is a lot of problems. The mental peace of everyone is hampered. Not everyone, and everyone is suffering in some or other way. So you have to be mentally very stable. You have to be mentally very calm
Yes,
in such situation. And whatever you have shared, I can imagine the amount of stress that you may be subjected to when with all the issues with the banks and all the assets that were adjudicated and everything. I just a last question, sir. What do you think are the key competencies that helped you to make an enterprise and sustain it, and what do you think are other competencies that are required if a young entrepreneur has to start, or if a young graduate has to start? What do you think? What are the qualities on which he should work upon for him to be a better entrepreneur or to start his enterprise?
Yeah, Dr. Saurabh, I will connect the dots of last 45 minutes or 1 hour, and let us collect all those qualities which I have talked right from the leadership which I have done in my childhood for the Ganesh festival and Ganeshotsav Mandal. to the till I was having a problem in failures. So let us connect all those qualities, and I will sum up in this answer. The most important is a truthfulness. You should be true to yourself, as well as true to your all near and dear ones, and to the stakeholders, investors, sorry, even to the bankers and everyone. Second is a honesty. That is again a most important thing, most important quality. You should be honest. उसमें कोई there is no 90% honest वगैरह कोई concept ही नहीं है. 100%. Honest means honest. Honest या dishonest. वही concept है मेरे दिमाग में. So you should be honest. So that is another thing. Then you should be creative and innovative in thinking to resolve the business problems and try to find out the solution, business solutions. So that's the most important thing is required. उसमें थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ भी चल सकता है, but permanently जुगाड़ नहीं चल सकता है. Every time जुगाड़ is not possible. So you need to have a long-term innovative solution, creative solution for the business. You need to find out.
Right.
So that you need to, but this cannot be done one day or something. This you have to learn over a period
It's
of
a
time.
process.
Right?
Yeah.
It is a process. Yeah. Then you should have the another qualities which I feel that you should be passionate. You should be crazy. You should be crazy about what you are doing. You should have a zeal to succeed. वो जो पैशन वो zeal चाहिए कि मेरे को जीतना है, मेरे को करना है. Whatever comes in between this journey, but कितने भी struggle, obstacles कुछ भी आ जाए, I have to fight back and I have to succeed. That passion, that craziness has to be there. Then another thing is a risk-taking appetite. I would add one more thing, that is a calculated risk-taking appetite. Because you should not take a risk, a blind risk,
Of it. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to do by the gut feeling, and maybe if you have a good sixth sense, then you can take few risks. But it should be a calculated, which should be well understood and well planned and well managed risk-taking appetite. Then you should able to, or you should be ready to digest failures. That's the again most important thing. If you have a failure during this journey, then what you will do?
Right.
What will happen? You will go into depression और ये सब चीजें हो जाएगी तो problem हो जाएगा. So you should be able to digest that failure. Let us understand and accept it very upfront that yes, it is a failure. What has gone wrong? Let us analyze that. Analyze it and learn from that failures. That is the most important thing which all entrepreneurs should do and try to acquire those skills. Maybe not one day, but over a period of time during the journey of their entrepreneurship, they should try to develop these skills and skill sets.
Right. Very nicely put into words, sir. There are, yeah.
One question.
Yes, please.
Sachin sir, very inspiring story of yours journey. You said your winning moments as well as the low points of your overall journey. Hearing your failures was more inspiring than hearing the successes, because in today's scenario, students are more worried about failures. Even not only students, whoever thinks of having new ideas, he is more worried about failures rather than successes, because most of students who are there in LITs, they are middle class and they don't have second option. Therefore, they try to jump into career which is safer, and therefore they, even though they have ideas which can do marvels in the industry, they do not think of having ventures. So
Right.
looking at your journey, I'm sure the students will get more inspired, and they will think of having their own ideas to the commercialized stage. And looking at the key concept and aspect of your journey, I'm sure our students will get benefited and will always think of having, even whenever they come into any uh, difficulties, they will surely contact you.
Definitely. Anytime. I
Uh,
would be happy to
Thank
help
you.
them.
Thank you.
to take up, sir, few questions. We have got a few questions that are there in the chat. To all the attendees, if you have got any question, you please put it in the chat box or in the Q&A window. To take the first question, sir, how chemical engineering or the knowledge of chemical engineering or the experience that you had while learning chemical engineering has helped you in this entire journey, sir?
As I told you that the chemical engineering, we learned the subject fuels and combustion. As such, there was no special subject on glass. But during the chemical engineering, we learned about the furnace and the fuels and combustion, the melting point, softening temperatures, and all those things.
Right.
So I think that has helped me a lot to understand this product and develop the entire product and technology and engineering. So that has really helped me. And second thing, most important thing is I used to say to all my CA friends, boss, chemical engineering जो है, when I understood the entire balance sheet, it is basically a system balance. LHS is equal to RHS.
RHS.
बराबर है. Asset है तो liability है तो asset है, दोनों मैच होना है, right? So मैं उनको बोलता भाई ये तो हमारा system balance है chemical engineering.
Right.
So this is how I have related all those commercial things from the chemical engineering perspective and learn the things over a period of time. So chemical engineering definitely helped me a lot. Second thing, chemical engineer is always a master of all. I would not say jack of none, but master of all, because we learn electrical engineering, we learn mechanics, we learn designing, mechanical designing, process designing, so instrumentation, process control. So we learn electrical, instrumentation, civil, mechanical. So we learn everything. So all those subjects and knowledge has helped me to understand during developing the product, during establishing the different projects. Even I am executing some projects like we are doing for metro. Delhi Metro, we have done almost more than 50 stations for wall cladding. We have done all our glass tiles on that. So उनके जो problems थे, civil के issues थे, civil engineer और structural engineer के साथ भी मैं बैठ के बात कर सकता हूँ. But I'm not an expert in that. But because of all those, what I have studied in chemical engineering, that has helped me to understand and gain that knowledge and apply into the field. Even I told you the example of lab scale to batch, batch to semi-continuous, semi-continuous to continuous. How to scale up and design the entire process.
Right. Two questions, very basic questions, that how to identify opportunities to start a business in the market. That is first. And if you have identified the opportunity, if you have started the business, how do you do the paperwork? I mean, the compliances part is a very major role. And more often it happens that for a small scale industry, compliance part, doing the paperwork becomes a bit tedious because we don't have the resources available. So how to identify a product and then how to do the compliance part of it in a more effective manner.
Right. So the first part is how to identify the product.
Yeah.
So again, I'm telling you, keep your eyes open, wide open. Just go on understanding the different businesses, business models, products, what is in demand, what is going to be in demand. I would like to quote a few things which is going to be in demand in future. That would be, and where the chemical engineers are really going to play a major role. And if few of our incubatees and startups from our college could do in that segment, I think that would be a great, that would be the wonders, and that would be a million and billion dollars concept. The first, because we all have seen that is a last 1.5 year, you could have the bioscience, biochemistry, bioproducts, right? Biotechnology products. So these are having a great potential in future where the chemical engineers can apply their mind and develop the products. Then second area which I feel is like few of the oxygen supplies and medical equipments. The people can think of designing the medical equipments, right? During this lockdown period, last 1.5 month, I had bought one oxygen concentrator in my home. मैं 4-5 दिन में जैसे डिमांड बढ़ने लगी तो मैं उसको खोल खाल के देख लिया क्या है भाई इसके अंदर, तो देखा तो सारे कॉलम थे. इट वाज अ प्रेशर स्विंग एब्सॉर्प्शन which we have studied in chemical engineering. So you have to keep your eyes wide open. You can do lot many things, and India is having a, is going to be the next destination for world manufacturing hub. It has an opportunity. I don't know how we encash, but India ki chhod do, you can encash. You can encash. Forget about India, that depends on the entire policy of the, but you as a individual, you can encash the manufacturing. मेरा सिंपल फंडा है, सबसे पहले मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बूम थी यूरोप, यूएस, देन थाईलैंड, ताइवान, जापान, एंड नाउ इट इज इन चाइना. रोटेटिंग में रहती है, रोटेशन में रहेगी, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली लेबर महंगा हो जाएगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी महंगी हो जाएगी, तो ये रहेगा नहीं. नाउ इट इज द टर्न ऑफ इंडिया, or I would mention 2-3 countries, that is the Philippines, Vietnam, or Bulgaria. I think, and there are few 1 or 2 more countries, but India has a big potential for going for a manufacturing. You keep your eyes wide open and find the product where you can do it, even if it is not from your field or not from what you have studied in your college days. Still you can develop and do it. Even nowadays you can develop a business which is could be an aggregator, not the actual product manufacturer. It could be a IT company or IT enabled services company. Think of that. Just keep your eyes wide open. See, Ola is going to start an electrical vehicle. Somebody, some startup is going to start a manufacturing of your lithium batteries. Then आपने सभी ने सुना होगा द पेपर बोट इज अ स्टार्टअप. they are manufacturing simple juice, fruit juice, but they are competing with the big players like Coca-Cola and Pepsi. They got a good funding. So paper boat जैसा भी बना सकते हैं आप, but you have to be very inquisitive and try to find out very aggressively about what is going to be the next product and next boom, and you have to click that. And about the second question, that is for the compliances and statutory and how to do the documentation, how to register a company. I think nowadays it's very easy. There are a lot of single window schemes and everything is available on internet. It's very cheap nowadays. You can find out, and finally you can approach to a chartered accountant and ask him that I want to start a business. Tell me what are the things I need to do. Write it on a paper and start doing the compliances one by one. It's not a big deal as such. I think that should not stop you starting your own venture. And the most important thing, we along with the LIT and University, Nagpur University, LIT Alumni Association, we are going to start an incubation center. You will find and you will get all guidance about all those things from that incubation center. You can use that incubation center and you can develop your product. You can get expertise about all finance, marketing, sales, HR, everything expertise we have, and everything will be supported there itself. So if you have a concept, definitely you are welcome there.
Right. Thank you so much. I think Deepak, would you like to ask question? Deepak V. I've unmuted you. Please go ahead and ask your question.
Hello, Sachin.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can
Yes,
hear you.
we can.
Yeah. Sachin, a truly inspiring story.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
arranging this one. We have, such a experienced people in our group, which knowledge can be shared with the students as well as new entrepreneurs, those who want to come and do some business and they want to see hardship as well as the fruits of the business. Both are seen here, and really fighting spirit you have. I think I don't have any questions, but I have all the
Right.
comments and appreciation for you, which is
Thank you so much, sir.
really
Thank you so much.
because this was not the things what we have ever discussed. Though we have met so many times in our meetings, and
Yes,
we
yes.
always discuss something else. But I never knew it is so inspiring and so fascinating. Really good. Keep
Thank you,
it
sir.
up.
Thank
Keep
you.
it up.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your comments. Anyone who would like to ask any question? Modak sir, you had some question or comments to make?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your
Please.
story was really inspiring, Sachin, sir. So
Thank you,
many
sir.
students, what they ask us that is it necessary to have some work experience before going for startup or doing some business? So how it matters really?
Uh, as per my opinion, I think it doesn't matter anything. Like if you have experience or if you don't have any experience, doesn't matter. But I would say you may trap into the vicious circle of that particular. I'm not saying vicious circle, but it is a trap of that basically job. Once you get a job offer of say uh, 6 lakhs per annum or 50,000 per month, then थोड़ा पैसा जमा करके experience लेके I will start my own business. So next year you get an increment and your salary is increased to 70,000. Then you change the job. You want more experience and more money so that you can start your own enterprise. And then you end up getting a salary of 1 lakh rupees. And then a big question comes to your mind. If I start my own business, whether I can get 1 lakh rupees from day one? The answer is big no. Big no. You're not going to get a single rupee in the first month. So I think that's not required at all. So money is not required. Experience is also not required because you are going to do something different. But yes, if you feel that you want an experience, I would say you take an experience in a startup. You take a in big company, you will be a very small fish in the ocean. So you will not get any रिलायंस में जाओगे, रिलायंस में आपको एक्सपीरियंस क्या मिलेगा? आपको क्या करने को देंगे? वो कुछ नहीं करने देंगे. आपको बोलेंगे भाई ये कोने में बैठ जाओ, ये प्लान, ये कॉलम है, ये कॉलम के रीडिंग दिन भर लेते रहना. क्या सीखने को मिलेगा वहां पे? क्या एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा? व्हाट एक्सपीरियंस यू विल गेट? I don't think you will get any experience in big companies. If you really want to get an experience, go into the startup company में जाओ. You will get a lot of things to do, lot of experience, and then you can start. Or you can start from the day one. Even you can start at the second year level, third year level, or final year level also. You take an example of so many entrepreneurs in IIT, IIMs, and so many engineering colleges. They are doing it because they have an incubation center. They have a alumni network, and nowadays it is available. Our alumni network is so strong and well connected that you can approach, and very soon we are going to start an incubation center. So before incubation center, if you have an idea, approach me. I will connect to the few people. I will connect you to the few investors also. I will connect you to the few alumni who can support you in particular product. So this is the way. I think no need to wait till I get an experience. I think then you will trap into that circle. Better if you have an idea, let us start it immediately.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Mankar sir, you have to say something.
Yes. Yes, first of all, I thank Sachin for sharing his story, I would say, and it was really inspiring, not only for the students but for all of us. Uh, my son, who is studying in IIT Delhi, he visited the exhibition, a big exhibition, where Sachin's stall was there, and he's also with me today. He attended the session, and really, the things are very inspiring.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Uh, so I hope the students will take benefit of his thoughts about his path, his journey. And one thing is clear, I told in the beginning also, it's not like a magic. There will be failures, there will be struggle, and without struggle, there is no success story without struggle. You read any success story for that matter. And I would like to add one thing. Please keep habit of reading good books, reading success stories, and other things, principles, self-help books we call it. So that is very important. That will also inspire you. And as Chin mentioned, as a chemical engineer, we study almost civil engineering subjects like of materials and applied mechanics, electrical engineering, we study some electronics, we study computers is part of it. We don't study hardware, but the required software for our purpose we study. And mechanical engineering subjects, you know, many mechanical engineering subjects we study. So chemical engineering is a branch where we study other engineering also, but you cannot find a branch of engineering where chemical engineering studies. Nobody studies for process calculations, mass transfer, reaction engineering, process control, of course, electrical engineers, mechanical engineering, they everybody. But our exclusive subjects, inorganic process technology, organic process technology, reaction engineering, fluid mechanics, of course, civil mechanical, electric, and other branches also study. But no other branch study our core chemical engineering subjects. So we have something extra plus, and that you will realize later on also in your career. So at the same time, we should keep in our mind that this startup or whatever you say, I would say entrepreneurship. It is something which one cannot become really an entrepreneur just listening to the stories. The stories can inspire you. That's all. That today we listen to Sachin's story and few of you will get inspired. But you cannot exactly do the similar thing like he has done. You have your own qualities. And with the support of your family, friends, alumni association is there, LIT friends will be there. As Sachin mentioned, LIT laboratory you can use, LIT library you can use. And many times when we are students, we were students also at that time, we were thinking LIT में क्या है, ये नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता. आपको भी, you must be thinking LIT labs में कुछ नहीं होता. But let me tell you, you have heard the example of Sachin today. We have NCSR Chemicals of Nikhil Dhote, again a good industry that was incubated in LIT. Then Prasanna Sohre, he is with Rand Chemicals, and many things he developed initially in LIT. Raka brothers used to work with Dr. Sonone's lab, and they developed initially few products here. With Professor Bhagade also few products were developed. With Professor Pandri Pandey, few products developed. And even before that, there are successful things. As Sachin rightly mentioned, those days people used to come take the help of LIT library, laboratory, and used to develop something. And there are successful entrepreneurs. There are many examples, but these terms were not there. This terminology, jargons, incubation, startup, make in India. These only this is the nomenclature. It's not whatever Sachin has done. That was a product developed in an incubation center in LIT. What Nikhil Dhote has done, it is the same thing. And I have given few more examples also. But this is something you can really attempt if you feel, and that urge will come from within. Maybe some few of you will get inspired, you can get the guidance, but no one is going to suggest you that this is the product and you try to do this. Nothing will come to you ready made. So it should be your own idea, it should be your own struggle, and I'm sure that few students will take up this. And the objective of organizing this particular lecture, I think it will be fulfilled if even one or two entrepreneurs after 10 years, 20 years, and we will definitely invite you, you will be a part of it. We will means I will not be there after 12 years in LIT, but Saurabh will be there, Vikesh is there, and they will definitely invite you, and that should happen, and that will be the another success story of organizing such inspiring lectures. And we will continue with this to invite your more successful entrepreneurs like Sachin. So thank you very much, Sachin, and thank you,
sir.
the organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request Head of Department Chemical Engineering, Dr. Bhanose sir, to say a few words, and he would also be talking on the NISP that is in the formulation stage, and it will be going hand in hand with the incubation center. Over to you, Bhanose sir.
Vasotkar sir, Dr. Joglekar, Dr. Lade, Dr. Modak sir. Good afternoon, all. So this was a very wonderful lecture, sir, and student will gain many things from this type of interaction. And Saurabh has handled this session very well. He has asked beautiful questions, and many things came out. And definitely, student will take up this particular ideas, and then they can understand this, and definitely they can start their own venture. So here, as per AICT, they have asked institute to start innovation council, and under council we have many subsections like national innovation startup policy, then incubation center, then mentor-mentee scheme, and then different startup programs what we have. So what is there? So students can take ideas as soon as they enter in the institute. They can see around, as Parsoskar sir mentioned. They can open their eyes and they can see around, and they can take up different ideas related to chemical engineering, then waste treatment, solid waste management, different product formation, different problems they can take, and they can work on this in institute, in laboratory. During their that means 4 years span, they can continue this particular work, and maybe with the help of all we that means LIT alumni, then AICT, then university, with the help of all these, I think these students can work on, and they can continue their project, they can continue their work till completion, and they can start their venture at the end. But as Mankar sir said, no doubt everyone will not go in that particular field, but some students will continue their work, and they have good product at the end, and they can market this in the society, and like that, that is possible. So at the same time, we have started some work on national innovation uh, grateful to Professor sir for this uh, hello.
Hello. Ha. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Over to Saurabh. Sir,
Yeah.
continue now.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. On that note,
Hello?
I would like
Because
to.
there is some network issue.
Yeah, there is some network issue on my part as well. Thank you so much, sir. At the last, I would like to thank Persokar sir for accepting our invitation, and I would like to thank our director Mankar sir for his words of wisdom. Thank you so much, and I would like to close this session with one of the sayings or one of the tagline of one of the news channel of Marathi. It says, "उघडा डोळे बघा नीट," means you have to see and you have to analyze correctly. So, on that note, I would like to end this session now. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.